Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome again to QRT Tafsir Hawmid. We are going through Surah Al-Baqarah, verses 14, 15, 16. We did in part 1 the general translation. Part 2, we did the first part of the commentary. And now we're going to do the last two parts, which can combine them into one. Allahu Rajim, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahu yastahzi'u bihim. So Allah responds to the hypocrites and says Allah is actually mocking them. It's the other way around. So وَيَرُدُّ اللَّهُ تَعَالَى, Allah replies to them, عَلَى هَؤُلَاءِ الْمُنَافِقِينَ, to these hypocrites. وَيَقُولُ لَهُم, and He says to them, إِنَّهُ عَالِمٌ بِسَرَائِرِهِمْ, He is knowledgeable of their secrets, وَتَصَرُّفَاتِهِمْ, and their actions. وَيَمُدُّهُمْ, He's extending them, فِي طُغْيَانِهِمْ, in their transgression, يَعْمَهُونَ, while they are wandering blindly. In other words, وَإِنَّهُ يَمُدُّ لَهُمْ فِي الْغِوَايَةِ وَالضَّلَالِ, He is extending them in their sin and misguidance. وَيَزِيدُهُمْ مِنْهُمَا, and He is increasing them in these two things. وَهُوَ الَّذِي, it is He who is actually يَسْتَهْزِئُ بِهِمْ, mocking them, وَيَتْرُكُهُمْ حَيَارًا, and leaving them perplexed, wandering, فِي ضَلَالِهِمْ, in their misguidance. لَا يَجِدُونَ إِلَى الْخُرُوجِ, they are unable to find a exit, مِمَّا, from what, هُمْ فِيهِ سَبِيلًا, they have found, or the path they have taken. أُولَٰئِكَ الَّذِينَ اشْتَرَوُا الضَّلَالَةَ بِالْهُدَى, they are the ones who have purchased ضَلَالَة, misguidance, with guidance. فهؤلاء المنافقون, these hypocrites, هم الذين, they are the ones, أخذوا الضلال والكفر, they are the persons who have taken misguidance and disbelief, وتركوا الهدى, and they are the people who have left guidance, والإيمان, and belief. It is as if وكأنهم عقدوا صفقة, they have concluded a deal بذلك, while doing this. So they have sold their guidance and purchased their misguidance. So as a deal, what was the result of that deal? فما ربحت تجارتهم, their tijara, their deal, was not profitable. وما كانوا مهتدين, and they are not guided. ولكن هذه الصفقة, this deal, خسرت, is a loss-making deal. ولم تربح, it does not make a profit. لأنهم, why? Because باعوا ما وهبهم الله من نور وهدى, because they have sold what Allah has gifted them in terms of light and guidance. Instead, they took what? بضلالات, misguidance, al-bid'ah, innovation, wal-ahwa, and following their desires. وَلَمْ يَهْتَدُوا فِي عَمَلِهِمْ, and this action of theirs did not guide them إِلَى الْحَقِّ, to the truth, wal-iman, nor did it guide them to true belief, was-sawab, and to what is correct. So that brings us effectively to the end of the commentary. Now here are some words. Mustahzi'un comes from the word istihza, which means sukhriya or mockery. Khalaw ila shayatihim. Khalaw ila shayatihim means insarafu ilayhim, they went to them. When faradu bihim, they are alone with them. You get the word khalwa from that. وَيَمُدُّهُمْ, ay from mad. Mad means to extend. When you say mad al-jaysh, if you have extended an army, or وَأَمَدَّهُ, you have extended the army, it literally means زَادَهُ عَدَدًا, you have increased it in number. وَقَوَّاهُ بِالْمَدَدِ, and you have supported it with strength. يَعْمَهُونَ comes from the word al-amah. هو الضلال, it is misguidance. وَالْإِرْسْتِرْسَالِ فِيهِ, and it is to continue in misguidance. And literally it's وَظُلْمَةُ الْبَصِيرَةِ, it is the darkness of sight and the lack of vision. And طُغْيَانِهِمْ, طُغْيَان means مُجَاوَزَتِهِمْ الْحَدِّ, to overstep the bounds, hence it's called, translated as transgression. And here it means to overstep the bounds, fil kufr, and enter from the bounds of iman, the bounds of belief, into the bounds of disbelief. ربنا زدنا علما. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.